We're ready to test the new hardware that I got, or camera gear. So I got a new microphone on the camera, and I placed the GoPro over here, which I have the nice suction mount. Let's see how the audio and field of view looks. Take two. I don't know why with this tune sometimes it doesn't like want to stay on all the time. It's just I have to like sometimes rev it a little bit and then it'll idle after that. It's weird.
This is fresh. Ooh. Have you heard it like in video yet?
It didn't burn through the whole second gear.
Yeah. Wow.
So annoying.
Did you take it to?
I don't know. After 5,500 RPM, I start losing power, so it grabs traction again. Look, now the guy with the Mazda speed is behind me. It's like, oh, what's that?
No, I think he saw you at the stop sign back there.
Set up, you know, I was it took us from 8:30 to 1:20 in the afternoon to get over there, from how much I-4 traffic there was from a bunch of crashes and stuff. Damn. Then we get there and the truck was supposed to be like very empty, so I was like, oh yeah, we got a bunch of seat time, blah blah blah. No, we get there, it was like record packed. I don't know where all these people came from. And then after being stuck in traffic all day, then we were stuck in traffic on queue to run at the track because there was no groups. It was open grid, so everybody was running at the same time, and the wait line to go run circled the whole pits. So you have to be like for a really long time. So I only got to do 2 runs, and in 2 runs I was testing the car and I didn't get to test the car at all. Like I spun out both times trying to like get the track right, and avoiding that hole, which at the end I ended up hitting it anyways. But yeah, that's the way. It's like really, I got stuck in traffic all day, then stuck in the front of the track, then that's it. That's all I did. And then we went to eat, and then right back. That's all we did that day, which all just stuck in traffic the entire day. I was really frustrated with that. That's why I didn't really record a lot from that, and I was gonna do a full video from the event, but I didn't know doing anything because it was just so bad. Go to 2 days.
That's all.
Oh no, there's the Mazda speed. It just pops a lot. I wonder if I was able to get it on the camera with a popping sound.
his?
What happened
maybe.
there? It's like so many cops trying to get to the grass and everything.
Where?
Like all the way back there in the intersection. Video 1 complete. Now let's eat and then we'll figure, oh my god, what is this? What are you doing? Cables. Those are the stock cables for the sunroof. I still haven't eliminated those, so I'll get to them eventually.